Welcome to Divatrim Keto Supplement Reviews. Here, you can resolve all your doubts. Watch this video completely, there is a special gift for you. Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel to know the new product reviews and update. Divatrim Keto is the new launch of keto supplement that came into existence to help people in improving their body shape and better health. The product enhances blood flow to the body and melts off fat by improving the metabolic rate. The supplement works based on the process of ketosis by burning fat for providing the nutrients such as amino acids and vitamins to the body. Divatrim Keto Supplement helps you to enter the ketosis state to burn off fat instead of using carbs. This process is made by the supplement by improving the body metabolism and fat burning process. You can shed the excess pounds and make sure that the person gets better muscular health. To make it possible, the Divatrim Keto product uses the perfect combination of ingredients that makes the consumption safe and effective. It also nourishes the body and tones it perfectly. The BHB Ketones added in the formula supports you with natural effects of fat burn that is scientifically proven to trigger the ketosis effects. There are a number of customer feedbacks that projects the positive feedback of the product. But it's not sure how true the testimonials are. It may also be fake. But to overcome this, the creator offers a money-back guarantee that ensures the confidence of the creator on the success rate of the product. The Divatrim Keto supplement might provide the better shape and body health. The product is simple and effective to use. The best way to use the product is to take one dose in morning and one dose before evening snacks that improves the metabolism. You can avail the product only in its official website and not in offline. But this ensures that the user is provided with the real thing. In short, the Divatrim Keto supplement supports with better weight loss results and energetic life that people desire for. It triggers the body's natural ability to burn fat. Don't forget to consult the medical professional before making any dietary changes for safety purpose. Hope you got answers for all your questions. Please look at the link in the description and avail the discount before you purchase. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.